Hello! In this video, we would like to showcase the group's functionality, what it is and how it works. The group feature is divided in two parts. That means that an administrator can only create and manage groups. There exists no information regarding which group is member of what space. Doing so, we can stay true to our zero-knowledge principle. In order to use the groups feature, you will need access to the admin console. Usually, you will be able to get the access if you possess more than or equal to 10 licenses and users in your account. You also must be the administrator of your account. If those conditions are met, you will find the link to the admin console in the shop under Licenses/Depots down below. In the admin console, you will find the tab Groups, in which you can create and manage groups. Group names must be unique. We recommend to think about the group naming first, since a group name acts just like a username. That's why its identity must be unique as well. Usually, it would be best practice to use a name code that remains consistent with your company. You could write out group names with your domain, for example. The owner of the group must be set, and the scope of the group defines which users will be privileged within the group to invite that group into a space. If you create a group as anonymous, no user can see the list of users within that group. Only the administrator would be able to see this information. As an administrator, you can still manage members of that group. However, you won't be able to disable this anonymous setting once the group has been created. If you now update to the version 5.0 of TeamDrive, you will be able to invite a group to a space as if you invited a member. Once you have entered the group name as an invited member, all users assigned to this group will get an invitation notification to join that space. After adding a group to a space, you will see that the group is displayed just like a normal user. If a user is removed from a group, the client will automatically handle it in such a way that the user will be removed from all spaces that the group is part of.